Hi guys, Shannon here. If this is your first time checking in, just wanted to say thanks for joining and hope you like the video that's coming up. This is going to be about the subfloor that I have put in to Mildred, my 1970 Airstream Overlander International land yacht. She's 23 feet long on the inside, so got lots, this is my puppy. Anyway, so check it out. This is just putting in the first section in the process I went through to get it done, and then I will show on a video following the final product and some other little things I had to tweak to make it a little bit more secure and all that kind of good stuff. So I will see you at the end of the video. Thanks. Okay, so that was a little section about what I did and how I did it, and my help that was gracious enough to come and help me that day. That was definitely a two-man job. It took us about, I'd say 10 hours total just for the one day. So a lot of work, but it was totally worth it because now I don't have to do the balance beam act anymore. So if you want to keep up with what's going on, be sure to click the little bell so you get the notifications on the new videos that are coming up, because I'm going to keep documenting the whole process. And I will see you soon. So thanks a lot. Bye.